How to log in to MetaTrader 5 account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your MetaTrader 5 account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first of all, make sure that you have the app. You can install it from App Store or Google Play Store. After you've installed it, open it up. Now right after you open it up, you will see an option pop up that says open up a demo account. Now if you don't have an account, you can tap on open a demo account to create an account. If you already have an account, you can simply head to the settings on the bottom right. After you tap on it, you will see trade accounts. Tap on trade accounts on the top and you'll get redirected to accounts section. Now if you want to log in, tap on plus icon on the top right and tap on MetaQuotes or any other broker that you want to search. If you want to search for it, search it from here, or you can simply tap on MetaQuotes. And here you will again get two options. One is to register a new account. The other is to use existing accounts. Now, since we are logging into the account, you will simply need to type in your login details here. Type in your login details, type in your password. After you do so, tap on sign in and you're basically good to go. And that is how you can log in into your MetaTrader 5 account, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and